And of course, ang hindi naman po mananalo, syempre hindi tayo upuhan. Meron pa rin po tayong consolation prize.
And sponsored by our
Yes, na po yung ating handball.
Miss Danica Nicole ang tuluwa.
Our best in talent will receive a cash to be awarded our SK chairwoman Danica Nicole F. Anguluan together with our captain Honorable Alma Camarce. Our best in talent 2025 is from Mid Division Team Miranda, Miss Princess Shanika Pérez. Congratulations from Team Miranda, Mid Division, Shanika Pérez. Class and I just wanted to invite everyone our SK for our photo op kasama po ang ating best in talent from Mini Division Team Miranda, Princess Shanika Palomo. Once again, congratulations.
At eto na!
At eto na po! Sino po itong sigaw mo nyo lang? Our best news basketball summer league 2025 is
No other than from Midget Division, Team Miss Team Ashley.
once again awarded by our barangay captain, Honorable Captain Alma Camarce, kasama po ang ating mga magawad. Ganyan po ang ating SK officials, kasama pa rin po ang ating pinakamamahal Honorable SK Chairwoman, Danica Nicole F. Angulu.
Okay, once again, congratulations from Midget